I think if you just get it back over, you'll be fine. Twofer! That's a twofer!
Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Two Wild Wolves. Today on our adventure, we're gonna go to Yank Peak.
We're gonna go ride the sled that was broke last time we rode it. We were all fixed up. A bunch of snows happened. We're gonna shake her down now today, and Ness is gonna ride my sled. I'm gonna ride hers, and we'll go see where we get to.
Yep.
I think there's a couple new zones that we haven't been to yet this year.
See how the snow is. Gonna be fun, I'm sure.
It's fresh. There's 6 inches of fresh in the yard, so it's gonna be fun.
Yep. Hey everybody, so we made it to the parking lot of Yank Peak, and now we're just slowly unloading our sleds and gonna get ready and go.
Round 4, Moosebed Meadow. Just gonna back up, take Solstice up there. You can do it! There! Now at Julio 2020.
Look at Calypso go! Woo! Then we got Julio over there. Wow! That was crazy! The Chad is on his way to destroy the snow! Oh! He's getting himself unstuck! Yeah, just kidding. I know he's getting unstuck. I know you do! The Chad is a destroyer of the snow. And he hit a tree. I guess Calypso was hungry.
Well, at least it stayed up this time. She don't have to dig this time. It sucks you off, eh? Yep. Alright, Nessa's on her way up here. She's gonna go up that almost vertical hill, I think. Back down comes Julio. Oh, there's that nine tails. Ooh, that's a good steak. Oh, I think Julio's stuck too. This is why they say don't follow me, I go stupid places. Right on. Cool. Yeah, I'll take you to some cool places.
And up the little fun hill climb we play at.
Nope.
Got one person temporarily delayed or stuck further up. Julio made it down the hill after potentially getting temporarily delayed.
Oh, here comes Nightown. That girl is crazy. Oh. I think if you just get it back over, you'll be fine. Twofer! That's a twofer! That's a twofer! Same hole. It didn't happen unless it ends up on YouTube. Yeah. There's two ways to get you out. Roll or there and pin and wiggle. One, two, three. Okay. Solstice and I'll send this one with no goggles, I don't think. That's alright. I know my baby. Stand on the ski? Yeah. Nope. But that's a nice big hole. One, two, three. See? Told you Solstice could get out of that. That's just a little moose bed, eh? What are you? You're not Trevor, are you? Trevor? Sure. Oh, I knew you. Pin and wiggle. She'll go, Jericho. She'll go. Well, I use the trees for stopping. Calypso over here having some breakfast. At least she's nose down. Okay, see if I can get back on this. Back in the saddle again. Give you a ski pole, come around, stay on the high side, on edge, and just carve her, ride that trail out. It gets a lot more shitty up that way if you otherwise. Oh yeah. we've had our fair share of experiences hitting that jump too. You don't until you do. I ended up right up here one time. Had to go up. I just launched. What do you do, right? You try to ride her out. Yeah, just slow the throttle. We'll just pull. should. All right. There you go. All right, ride her out. Good to go. So we'll go about 200 meters more, and then it gets fun play zone. Guys found one of the jumps.
And now we are playing at a hill climb. Woo! And here comes the next victim. Just kidding. Yeah! Whee! Woo! Made it to the cabin. Got all our nice Polaris's. Then we got a free rider. Oh look, there's a lynx and a skidoo and another free ride and a skidoo summit. Ooh, and another skidoo and some Articats, some mountain cats, another Polaris. Wow, there's an old school adventure. That's awesome. More Polarises. Hey everybody, so we made it back to the truck. We've all loaded up.
We're gonna head home. We had an awesome day. We met up with a bunch of people, including some subscribers. We'd like to thank them for joining us on this adventure today. It was an awesome day. Awesome day.
Awesome. Lots of fresh pal. Lots of good times.
We'll catch you guys on the next one and see you on the big end.
Bye for now.